Did you know that erectile dysfunction, or ED, impacts approximately 30 million men in the United States alone? Yes, you heard it right. Erectile dysfunction is a prevalent issue that reaches far beyond the borders of the United States. Globally, it's estimated that over 300 million men will experience some form of ED by the year 2025. That's almost equivalent to the entire population of the United States. But let's bring it a bit closer to home. In the United States alone, 1 in every 4 men under the age of 40 reports some form of erectile dysfunction. It's not just an old man's problem. Various lifestyle factors such as smoking, alcohol consumption, obesity, and lack of physical activity can contribute to ED, making it a concern for men of all age groups. Not only does ED affect physical health, but it also has significant psychological impacts. Men with ED often experience decreased self-esteem, anxiety, and depression. It can strain relationships and lead to a cycle of stress and further health complications. But remember, age is also a factor. As men grow older, they naturally become more susceptible to ED. It's estimated that by the time a man reaches 70, he has a 70% chance of having experienced some form of ED. That's a sobering thought, isn't it? But don't let these statistics scare you. They're not meant to. They're here to show you that if you're experiencing ED, you're not alone. Not by a long shot. Millions of men are right there with you, and millions more have been there before. And here's the most important part. Erectile dysfunction is not a life sentence. It's a health condition, and like many health conditions, it can be managed and treated. There are several effective treatments available, and we're going to talk about them. So stay tuned and let's embark on this journey together. But there's good news. ED is not a death sentence. There are several effective treatments available. One of the most popular medications for treating ED is Viagra, also known as sildenafil. This little blue pill, as it's often fondly referred to, has been a household name for over 2 decades now. It's been helping men regain their confidence and improve their intimate relationships, making it one of the most recognized brands in the world. Viagra's popularity is largely due to its effectiveness. It works by relaxing the muscles in the walls of blood vessels, allowing for increased blood flow to certain areas of the body, including the penis. This aids in achieving and maintaining an erection when sexually stimulated. The dosage of Viagra can vary depending on individual needs, but it's typically taken 1 hour before sexual activity. It's important to remember that Viagra doesn't work on its own. It needs a little, shall we say, encouragement. So it's not a magic potion, but it certainly does its part when the time is right. Now let's talk about cost. Brand name Viagra can be quite expensive, often costing upwards of $60 per pill. But don't let that deter you. There's a more wallet-friendly option available, the generic version, sildenafil. It contains the same active ingredient as Viagra, and it works in the same way but at a fraction of the cost. As with any medication, Viagra does come with potential side effects. These can include headaches, flushing, upset stomach, and abnormal vision. In rare cases, more serious side effects can occur, so it's important to discuss these possibilities with your healthcare provider. Viagra has been a game changer for many men, but it's not the only player in the game. There are other medications available that can be just as effective. It's all about finding what works best for you, in consultation with your healthcare provider. So stay tuned as we explore more options in our upcoming scenes. Another popular ED medication is Cialis or tadalafil. It's a go-to choice for many men around the globe. But why is that? Let's dive into the details. Cialis is a brand name you might have heard. It's known for its effectiveness in treating erectile dysfunction. The secret? It's all in the active ingredient tadalafil. This substance promotes blood flow to certain areas of the body, aiding in the achievement and maintenance of an erection. A key reason for Cialis's popularity is its longevity. It's often referred to as the weekend pill because its effects can last up to a whopping 36 hours. That's a lot of time to enjoy spontaneous moments without worrying about timing your medication. Now let's talk about the cost. Cialis is a premium brand and its price reflects that. But don't let that deter you. There's also a generic version available known as tadalafil, offering the same benefits at a fraction of the cost. Generic drugs are therapeutically identical to their branded counterparts, meaning you'll get the same effectiveness without breaking the bank. When it comes to taking Cialis, it's usually available in doses ranging from 2.5 to 20 milligrams, with the most common being 10 milligrams. Remember, it's crucial to follow your doctor's instructions when it comes to dosage. But like any medication, Cialis isn't without potential side effects. Some men might experience headaches, indigestion, back pain, muscle aches, flushed skin, or stuffy or runny nose. These side effects are typically mild and temporary. However, if they persist or become bothersome, it's important to seek medical attention. And there you have it. Cialis, or tadalafil, is a reliable, long-lasting solution for many men dealing with erectile dysfunction. It's popular, effective, and available in both branded and generic versions. But remember, every person is unique, and what works for one might not work for another. Always consult with your healthcare provider to find the best solution for you. Cialis offers a long-lasting solution for many men, but there's more to explore. Levitra, also known as vardenafil, is another effective medication in the ED treatment arsenal. This medication, like its counterparts Viagra and Cialis, has become a household name in the realm of erectile dysfunction treatments. Levitra is popular for its rapid onset of action and the duration of its effect. It starts working within 30 minutes and its effects can last for up to 5 hours. This makes Levitra a great choice for those seeking a quick effect without the need for long-term planning. Let's talk about cost. Levitra, on average, can range from $15 to $25 per pill, but the price can vary based on your location, the dosage, and whether you're purchasing the brand name or the generic version. Speaking of which, the generic version of Levitra vardenafil is available and can be a cost-effective alternative. It contains the same active ingredient and works in the same way, but at a fraction of the cost. So how exactly does Levitra work? It enhances the effects of nitric oxide, a natural chemical your body produces that relaxes muscles in the penis. This increases blood flow and allows for an erection in response to sexual stimulation. When it comes to dosage, it's typically started at 10 milligrams to be taken about an hour before sexual activity. However, the dosage can be adjusted based on effectiveness and tolerance. Now, let's discuss potential side effects. Common side effects of Levitra include headaches, flushing, stuffy or runny nose, and dizziness. However, serious side effects are rare. If you experience a sudden decrease or loss of vision or hearing, or an erection lasting more than 4 hours, seek medical help immediately. Levitra is another option to consider, but always remember, each medication works differently for each individual. It's important to have open and honest discussions with your healthcare provider to find the treatment that works best for you. The fight against erectile dysfunction is not a solitary battle. It's a journey, and there are many paths to take. We've spent time exploring some of these paths, delving into the world of medications that can help. Let's take a moment to summarize what we've learned. Viagra, or sildenafil, has been a popular choice for many, known for its effectiveness and relatively quick onset. Remember, it's not just the brand name you can turn to. There are generic versions available that offer the same benefits at a lower cost. Then we have Cialis, also known as tadalafil. This has gained fame for its long-lasting effects, providing flexibility and spontaneity. Like Viagra, generic versions of Cialis are also available, offering the same benefits but at a more affordable price. We also talked about Levitra, or vardenafil, another effective medication with a quick onset and moderate duration. Again, don't forget about the generic versions that can provide a more affordable alternative. These medications are powerful tools in the fight against erectile dysfunction. However, they are not magic bullets. It's essential to remember that these treatments work best when combined with positive lifestyle changes. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, maintaining a healthy weight, and reducing stress levels can all play a critical role in managing ED. Before starting any medication, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider. They can help determine the right medication and dosage for you, considering your overall health and any other medications you may be taking. They can also provide guidance on managing potential side effects. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. It's a journey that millions of men embark on every day. There is a community out there, a wealth of resources and support, ready to help you as you navigate your path to overcoming erectile dysfunction. Stay informed, stay hopeful, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. Thank you for watching.